In this video, I'm going to show you how to export contacts from HubSpot to Excel. Now to do this, first you want to go to your dashboard, you want to go to the CRM here on the left, and you want to click on Contacts. Now from here you'll see the list of your contacts, and if you want to export these to Excel, you want to go to the top right and click on Export. From here, it's going to show you it's exporting all the contacts. Of course, you can give this export a name. I'm going to leave it like it is. And the most important part is going to be the file format. So by default, CSV is going to be selected. And if you use Excel to actually view CSV files, you could go and use the CSV file format, which is going to, of course, open as a comma-separated values format inside Excel if you use Excel on your computer to open these type of files. Now, if you want to export as Excel and not CSV, you want to click on here. And as you can see, you have two options over here. So we have XLS and XLSX. So these two are both Excel formats, but the main difference is that XLS is an older binary file format used before 2007, while XLSX is a newer open standard format based on XML and zip compression, okay? And these files usually are going to be smaller, safer, and are going to be able to hold much more data. So I'm going to go with this one, and there we go. Down here you have some other options if you want to check these, and you can then click on the export button, wait for a few seconds for this to actually export, and there we go. As you can see, it gave me this pop-up. You want to click on it and it's going to download onto your computer as an Excel file, or you can go and click on Track Export in Export Audit, and you can then go and wait for it to finish and click on over here, and it's also going to download the export as an Excel file onto your computer. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.